Critically endangered, this orchid is native to Singapore. The beauty of this orchid is emphasized by the complexity of its fragrance. Sweet, floral, powdery with an underlying note of vanilla. Beautiful on its own, but harmonizing with other fragrances makes it even lovelier. To increase the therapeutic efficacy in our fragrance composition, we have added in therapeutic orchids as a solution. And many even possess great medicinal and herbal values. Let's learn more. Used mainly in China in herbal medicines as a remedy to reduce heatiness, stop coughs, and improve blood flow, this therapeutic orchid is also administered as a pain relief during the repair of torn tendons and broken bones. These glamorous blooms can be found and collected throughout the whole year. It is extensively used either fresh or in decoctions to help enrich yin, benefit the lungs, clear phlegm, and stop coughs. Some other ingredients harmoniously blended in this fragrance composition are amaranth and cognac. Amaranth symbolizes the literal meaning of unfading, which is derived from its long flowering season where it adopts a metaphor of longevity and lasting beauty. With a refreshing floral scent with warm red currant undertones, this blossom is often gifted to represent their unfading love and affection for the recipient. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, this ingredient is an excellent skin food for dry, damaged, and aging skin. In addition, it provides strong anti-inflammatory properties, benefiting those suffering from dermatitis. Smelling of high-quality liquor, the fragrance of cognac carries spice, oak, amber, and woody notes, gaining novelty with its fruity nuances. With its delightful drunkenness aroma, this scent serves as a great mood booster. It also contains antioxidants, making this ingredient a great supplement for both your mind and skin. A whiff of this fragrance composition may whisk you away to a blissful dreamland. Remember, in the art of perfume making, there is no limit to your imagination and creativity. We're sure this scent will be a marvelous addition to your perfume.